Are you tired of receiving random invites on Rave? In this video, I will show you how to make sure only your friends can send you invites on Rave step by step so you can enjoy the app without interruptions. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Rave app. Here in this first page, you'll find above here this sign of settings. As you see this feature of settings, so I will tap on settings. After that, in this window, you'll find here this page, and then you will click on restrict invitations. As you see here, they said to you only allow invitations from friends, so you click here to enable this sign. If this sign changed to the white color, then you are making sure to enable restrict invitations, as you see here. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.